What's going on, everybody? Aaron here, owner of Attention to Detail, luxury detailing and coatings here in Highland, Indiana. Today I've got this absolutely incredible and gorgeous 2026 Chevy Corvette C8 ZR1. This ZR1 is part of episode 3 of A2D's Lux series. Thank you so much for watching. Let's dive right in. We did full body paint protection film to the ZR1, 10-year warranted KDX, PPF, every square inch. We tinted the front 2 windows, the windshield, ceramic coated everything. We did our fireball ceramic coatings on all the paint on top of the PPF. We did everything, all the trims, all the carbon fiber, the rims, the windows. We ceramic coated everything. This vehicle is sweet. Few things to note about the ZR1. The hood is updated. It has actually air intakes inside of it. Very difficult. We actually remove all the grates and this front lip piece to PPF underneath, and then we put everything back together. The front has over 20 pieces to it alone. It takes about 8 hours just to do the front bumper and the accents, which is a long time. The front canards are in carbon fiber, the front splitters in carbon fiber, the side skirts are carbon fiber, the boomerangs are carbon fiber with a custom ZR1 for air intake here on the side. These top air intake pieces are carbon fiber. Those are also PPF'd. All of the rear window surround is all carbon fiber. The rear wing is carbon fiber. Literally everything is carbon fiber on this. It is sweet. So I want to talk a little bit about our PPF. Oh, the roof has carbon fiber too. I want to talk a little bit about our PPF and what separates our shop from everyone else when it comes to PPF. Paint protection film, or clear bra, is an 8 mil 10-year warranted plastic film that goes over the vehicle that's made to look like it's not there, but it's protecting from physical damages. So there's 2 types of damages when you're driving down the road. There's physical damages and there's elemental damages. Elemental damages are things like tar, tree sap, acidic rain, harmful UV rays, paint overspray, stuff like that. That's elemental damages, and that is actually fixed, and you can help prevent from ceramic coatings. From physical damages like rock chips, light dings, swirl marks, scratches, any fading, anything physical that when you're driving down the road that's flying at the car, paint protection film is used to protect it. Now, paint protection film also comes in colored now. It's called colored PPF, but this is clear that goes on, and it actually protects the exterior from those physical damages, like rocks, road debris, trucks run right in front of you and you're driving down the road. This vehicle is so low, and because it is so low, when you're actually driving it, you pick up more stone chips and you pick up more rocks than maybe a vehicle like a truck that's higher up. Trucks still do get very beat up. With all this construction going out around 294, 57, I-80, 65, there's literally everywhere you go, there's construction. Well, construction's not good because as they're digging up the road, they're creating little rocks and little pebbles. The wind pulls them in. Trucks are driving on the construction, then back onto the main road. They're driving down the highway, and then your car comes up behind it and splat, you get a chip. Now, if I were to say, hey, I need a new engine in this vehicle, the paint job is actually more expensive than a brand new engine. So think about that. Your paint is actually the most expensive piece of a vehicle's manufacture process. And in order for manufacturers to cut costs and increase profits, they decrease the quality of the paint. So that's why some vehicles chip easier than others, some vehicles get scratched up easier than others. It's because of the quality of the paint. Paint's the most expensive part. What are you doing driving down the road and not protecting it? That's what we are all about here at A2D. So, a few things about our film. We have 2 shops. Our first shop is what I call my prep shop. We do all of our coatings, we do all of our undercoatings, we do all of our prep work, our washing, decontaminations, all that is in the prep shop. That is for prepping. It's very clean, but it's nowhere near what we call our clean room. Now our second room, which is next door, 1,500 square feet, it's exquisite in there. It's got custom lighting, custom walls, custom flooring. It's 1,500 square feet. We only do 3 cars at a time. And when we're PPFing, it's mopped and swept twice a day. It's got exhaust systems in there so that there's no dust and debris. We clean every inch of the vehicle, top to bottom, back to front before it goes in. It's literally the cleanest shop you'll ever step foot into. And that is why we have such clean installs. Now think about this, okay? Think about you're putting a phone case for your phone, okay? It's about this big, maybe a little bit bigger, and you take the plastic and you put it on. You always get a little piece of, lint in there or a little air bubble or something, right? I'm doing that to the entire car. Now when I do that to the entire car, lint, dirt, air bubbles, debris, so easy to happen. And that is why we offer a clean room. We're the only shop in Northwest Indiana that has a clean room that I know of in all of Northwest Indiana and here in Highland. Guys, if you want to get PPF done, come see us. I can guarantee you that we have the best quality and the best service in the entire Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland area. Now let me walk you through the prep process for this vehicle and going into film. The first part of the prep process, we started on the vehicle with a full wash and decontamination. We did a full foam wash, removed all the main dirt and grime. We cleaned everything. We cleaned the rims, we cleaned the tires, the wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, the brake dust, everything top to bottom, back to front. Then we detail brushed. We took a detail brush, every single crack and crevice around in between panels. We took off all of the carbon fiber accents that needed to be removed. Ones that we didn't remove, we took a detail brush and got in between all of the gaskets. The mirrors, of course, were removed. Every single thing was detail brushed. It's like a makeup brush. We remove any of the dirt and grime that's stuck and built up in between the cracks and crevices. We dislodge all of that. Then after that, we clay barred the entire vehicle. We do a clay bar to remove any embedded contamination in the paint. Stuff you can't really see with your eyes, but you can feel with your hands. So we do a full clay bar, and then we do an iron decon. Iron decon is very important. It removes any iron particles, any brake dust, any road grime from the exterior. Extremely important. So we do an iron decon and a clay bar. Then it gets sent to our film shop, which is right at the end of that building. So the film is applied. We wrap and tuck all the edges that are humanly possible, and we do go the extra mile in disassembling things. We took the wing off. We took these pieces off. All the emblems and badging always comes off. The mirrors came off. The front hood pieces come off. We disassemble anything and everything that it takes to give you the most flawless job possible. And we do all of our work with as little seams as possible. You might ask, what's a seam? So, a seam is where 2 pieces of PPF, paint protection film, come together. Many different reasons why this happens, many different reasons why there's a seam. There's actually a seam right here, and it's very difficult to tell, but there's a seam on the bumper, and that is because this is done in 2 pieces, okay? These seams are because, think about paint protection film like a 2-dimensional object. It's a flat sheet of film, okay, a 2-dimensional object. But what we are putting it on is a 3-dimensional car. So I like to think of it like aluminum foil and a baseball. Baseball, 3-dimensional, it's got all the curves, round. Aluminum foil is 2-dimensional. Take aluminum foil, put it onto a baseball, wrap it all the way around with no creases. It's nearly impossible. In order to remove creases, what we do is we stretch the film, but film only stretches so far, and when you stretch film too far, you can actually make it from an 8 mil thick PPF down to 4 or 6. So you're actually losing integrity in the thickness of the film, which means less protection. So what does that mean for us? Well, we put in sometimes what we would call a controlled seam, where we actually control where they go and the placement so we can still stretch properly so you don't have all of those, you know, like aluminum foil, all those little crumbles, but we still want it to be as one piece as humanly possible. So we do what's called a controlled seam, so that way you still get your perfect look, but we don't want to overstretch it to where you're losing your integrity of the actual film. So that's what a seam is. Very, very rare that we have to put them in, but sometimes, especially on vehicles with a lot of curves, a lot of edges, we do put some seams in. But all of our edges are wrapped and tucked where humanly possible. You do not see a little line above the mirror here. That's all one piece. Most shops will put a little line right there because you can't really see it, in quotes. But nope, we take the mirror off. We PPF completely around it. Very, very, very minimal seams on this entire vehicle. Guys, if you want to get paint protection film on your ride, whether it's a full front, a track pack, a full vehicle, you got to give us a call, book a consultation. I want to meet you. I want to see your vehicle. I want to take you on a tour of the shop. I want to show you around. This is where it's at. If you're looking for the absolute best quality, the best service, better than Disney World, you got to come to A2D. I can personally take care of you here at the shop. Book a consultation, give us a call. Once you book your consult and you come in, I'll meet you, shake your hand. We'll go over your vehicle, your budget, your goals, what you're looking to have done, enhancing and protecting, and we'll make it happen. Call me at 219-533-8783. Visit me on my website, www.attn2detail.info. Or email me, service, SERVICE at ATTN2detail.info. Book a consult today. I'd be absolutely honored to at least talk to you, see what we can do with your vehicle. Guys, this ZR1 is heading home. The client is picking it up today. If you want to get your vehicle PPF, ceramic coated, icon rock cleared, paint correction, undercoatings, window tint, vinyl wraps, powder coating, detailing, and more, give me a call. 219-533-8783. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, and I will see you guys in the next Lux series. Aaron out.